So this is the first stage how I restore this furniture that I have, the old one. I sand the wood. Next, I'll be sanding the metal with this attachment. This is the septic area that I'm talking about before. That I'm gonna concrete instead of just leaving it into a garden to make it tidy and neat. So we're ready to pour that up now by I think Thursday or Friday. I'm just getting ready with the materials. I got the sacks of sand and gravel there, and the lads, my lads are taking it down from the main road towards here. So we're gonna do it manually, but of course I'm gonna vibrate the cement like I always do with all my cementing jobs. We do a vibrator, although we'll do it by manually mixing the cement class A, which is 1 cement, 2 sacks of gravel, 2 sacks of sand, and 3 sacks of gravel. So that's what we call 1, 2, 3 over here. And so you see that area from the stairs and that prepared one with the rebars welded in and to the wall rebars. So we just chip a little bit just to make the rebar go through, and we weld it in so it will hold together, and we're ready to pour if the weather permits it, because it's quite cloudy this time. It'll be Thursday or Friday. And then the next part will be this area, both sides, and then to the end of that column on the wall. So you can see my lads there carrying the sand and gravel, piling it up from the main road where we have the stock of our sand and gravel, sacking it, bring it down manually, because this is a very awkward location. It's hard to bring the my cement mixer down here, nor if we mix it up there and bring it down, it'll be a mess to the whole area where they're going through. So the lads have a boat on it, and they decided that we just have to pour it manually over here. So we're trying to prepare it for this week, and so I'll be filming it when we're doing it. So this is the balcony on the lounge. You can see it's already been painted, repainted to make it clean and tidy. There, it's all clean up and ready for the wall lights outside to put in. The only thing before we do that is we're gonna sand the railings and repaint it white. Oh no, black. Sand it up, and then we repaint it with enamel paint. And then before we put on all the lights back. And as you can see the view, it's very hazy. I think it's gonna rain soon. But when it's a clear day, you can see the island of Bohol. And even through, if you use a telescope, you can see a little bit of the island of Leyte. But of course, you can see Mactan, Santa Rosa, all the other islands. But you can also have a look at the ocean when there's big boat passing through if you're using a telescope from here. But right now, it's very humid. You can see that even the coconut tree is not moving. The leaves, I mean. And most of the trees, because you're surrounded with lots of trees here, because it's like a forest down there. It's not moving, so it's gonna rain soon. I think it's already started raining down there in the city. So here, we're down much of the lounge, and that's the latest update on this area. And this is the inside of the lounge. You can see that the kitchen's there, and all the ceiling is repainted and clean up, Now I only have to clean all the windows and I'll start putting the curtains. Then I'm gonna be ready to set up here. Only minor cleaning is needed now. And that's it. And also the bedroom downstairs, I'll be showing you in a minute. So it's basically all repainted and done. And just need minor cleaning like the windows, final touch. And it's ready to go now. And cover up all the lights after it's all painted. Put all the new bulbs on the ceiling fans. Cover it up. Hang the curtains. And it's done. So this is bedroom number 1. And you can see I've hung the curtains that I paid ready-made. Bought ready-made. And I was wondering why it looks so awkward. And I was instructed in the shop that you need to make it, don't just hang one piece. The minimum that they hang is 2 to make it folding. So it won't show so much of the bar that you're using. So you can see here, I bought enough for the 2 bedrooms. But what will happen right now, because I'm going to use this extra curtains I have here for the bedroom 1. So the bedroom 2 will have different color curtains. Not why I decided to have matching. Now it will be different ambience, different colors. So I'm gonna redo all these curtains now. Put on the other extras to make it look better than what it is right now. Because I'm not happy with this one. Because I could still see the pole. Because I don't have time to sew these curtains. I sew my curtains in the main house because I used to have a lot of time before I have my YouTube, and I like sewing as part-time. When I get stressed, I'm sewing. I got 2 sewing machines. But this time I got no time to do this, so I just bought ready-made. And I just learned how to install this kind of curtains that they're doing in the shops, so I need to redo this. After I've done it, I will let you have a look. So I've added another panel on the curtain instead of using it for the second bedroom. So you can see it's a lot different than the just one plain panel and stretch it out. That's the window, and it's only got 1 panel of curtains. But you can see the difference when I put the other second panel. It's got more boldness or texture. It looks better. Because I'm not familiar with this hook type of curtains. I'm more on the traverse, which I use in the main house. But you can see when you put in another panel, and also the lining, the second curtain there, I also put another panel, so it's got more, not just the plain thing like I did the first time. So I'm gonna have to sort both sides now, and I'm happier with this effect. More shade, and then this really stretch one curtain, like the cloth is really being skimped and being stretched out. Just one plain sheet, but I like this effect now that I added another panel. So the one that I intended for the second bedroom is now installed here in this bedroom 1 door. And then the bedroom 2 windows will be, curtains will be installed in the bedroom 1 window. So I've doubled up the first set of curtains, what we call the flimsy type, on the windows, and that's how it looks. A lot better than it was just 1 panel each side. Now it's 2 panel each side. It's looking more substantial. And then I'll install now the front curtains. So if they fancy to have it all blacked out, they can put the 2 cover curtains, or just open it up and just leave the flimsy curtains on the front. Now I'm gonna do the front curtain, then it's all be done here curtain wise. Then I'll just install the bulbs, finish the bed, all the bedding's done, last tidying up, and it's all sealed. So that's ready. Bedroom 1, and that's the bathroom door, and this is the bedroom 2, and then you can see this little door that I showing you. This is the one intended to be a bathroom before, and the design of the architect is this guest house has 3 bedrooms, but I'm not happy with the size of this for the bathroom, so I decided to have this as a storage room instead, and the 3rd bedroom becomes the bathroom. Now in my next video, I'll be showing you suspended ceiling. The ceiling here that I plan to do, although you can see we haven't finished painting here, is I'm planning to put up a suspended ceiling on this storeroom. It's only a small room, but after it's all done, painted, suspended ceiling up there, then I'm gonna put plastic cabinets for all the storage of towels and all the clothes of anyone who's living here. So it's all there. Little area to store their toiletries, because I like everything tidy, not everywhere that you can see. Store it out of the way. So I like to see space, not clump in with all the things. So the plastic cabinets will be here near the 2 bedrooms. That's bedroom number 2, and that's bedroom number 1.